Hey guys! Wait till you see this bag. Like, I'm seriously obsessed with it. New arrival, totally new design, and yeah, it's honestly giving everything it's supposed to. Sorry before I get carried away. Let me just quickly introduce myself. Hey, I'm Maria Moses, and if you love cute bags, little fashion finds, and honest reviews, then you're deaf in the right place. So yeah, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. All the product link in the description. I have a $12 off with free shipping discount code available. Link in description or visit promowelt.com. All right, let's just get into it. Because, trust me, these trends are too good to wait. Number 1. Tote purses and handbags for women. It's got these smooth handles, really comfy to carry, and, the material? It's like faux leather, but you'd honestly never know. It looks really nice in person, not cheap at all. And this color? It goes with everything. I've already worn it like 3 times this week. Oh, and wait, let me show you inside. Look at all this space, bro. You can literally throw in your wallet, phone, makeup pouch, maybe even like a water bottle or snacks if you're out for the day. It's giving mom bag, but in the cutest way. So like, yesterday, I took this with me for some quick errands, nothing fancy, but someone at the checkout literally stopped me to ask where it's from. I was like, "Girl, it's on Amazon." And she was like, "Wait, what?" That's when I knew, yep, I need to film this for y'all. If you've been looking for a new everyday handbag or a cute gift for someone, this one's honestly a steal. I'll leave the link below, just check it out. It comes in different colors too if you're not into this one. Number 2. Top handle tote shoulder bag. First off, just look at it. It's structured. It stands up on its own, which I love BTTU. And these top handles? Super sturdy. Also it comes with a shoulder strap too. So like, you can wear it both ways depending on your mood or outfit. The color is this kinda soft beigey tonate, so easy to match with, like jeans, dresses, whatever. And the quality? Honestly, feels way more expensive than it is. Okay, so wait, open it up. The inside? It's spacious, like really spacious. I've got my wallet, lip gloss, hand cream, and I even stuffed a little snack in here earlier. Don't judge me. And, there's a zip pocket inside for stuff you want to keep separate, like your keys or, I don't know, gum wrappers. So, what I like? It's pretty, practical, holds a bunch of stuff, and doesn't look like a school bag. You know what I mean? It's like chic, but not trying too hard. If I had to nitpick, maybe just that the strap isn't padded, so like if you load it up and wear it for hours, it could dig a little. But for quick errands or a coffee run, perfect. Number 3. Women's purses and handbags, shoulder bags. Now, what I really like is the shoulder strap. It's adjustable. So, if you're short like me, or tall like my best friend, you can still wear it how you like. And this handle, it's strong. Like, not the kind that's gonna fall apart in 2 weeks. I've had that happen before and nope, never again. Supros, definitely the style, size, and how it feels on the shoulder. Also, it's got this like inner pocket with a zipper, which I love for tossing my AirPods or just random receipts. Only thing I'd say is, if you overstuff it, it can lose a bit of shape. But honestly, just don't carry your whole house in it and you'll be fine. Oh, and the amount of compliments I got? Like, I walked into the coffee shop and the barista was like, "Okay, that bag is so cute. Where's it from?" And I was like, "Amazon, girl." So yeah, that kinda made my day. Number 4. Glossy vintage leather shoulder bag. Okay, details matter, right? The stitching is clean, the zipper doesn't snag. Which, thank you, Godand. The inside has enough space for like the real essentials. I've got my wallet, phone, a little makeup pouch in there right now. And, there's still space left for snacks. Because yes, I'm that girl. Oh, and I love the strap. It's adjustable so you can wear it on the shoulder or like crossbody-ish if you want that. Super comfy, not one of those that digs into your shoulder, you feel me? Now, styling-wise, You can totally dress this up or down. I wore it with jeans and a basic tee, and it still made me look like I tried. Then I also took it out for dinner with a dress, and boom, instant upgrade. It's giving old money energy. But like, on an Amazon budget, which I am not mad at. Number 5. Bow Tie Tote Bag for Women. The material's super soft. It's that fabric that kind of feels like cotton but has some hold, so it's not floppy but not stiff either. Like, you can throw it around but it still looks cute. The bow? Yeah, it's sewn on and it just gives the whole thing that cozy, feminine look. Like, I low-key want to hug it. It has a zipper too. Thank you, because open totes freak me out. Like I don't want the world seeing my snacks and random receipts, you know? I wore it with a flowy dress the other day, and people thought I planned the whole outfit around the bag. I didn't. I just grabbed it because it matched, and it was right there by the door. It also looks good with jeans, leggings, whatever really. I feel like it gives off this relaxed, artsy girl vibe. Like you probably read poetry and drink matcha, even if you don't. Okay, so let's do a little honest review. Pros? Definitely cute, super lightweight, roomy, zipper closure, and that bow. Y'all, it just makes me happy. Cons? It's not waterproof. So like, maybe not your rainy day bag. And if you're rough on your bags, you might want to be a little gentle with this one, just 'cause it's fabric. Number 6. Hand Pouch Crossbody Bags. Okay, so the design is super minimal. Like, it's got this smooth finish, really soft to touch, but not flimsy. And can we talk about the shape? It's kinda like a soft triangle, but not sharp. Just, it's cute. The zipper's smooth, no tugging. And it comes with this adjustable strap, so whether you're tall like me or not tall, you can wear it however you like. Let me show you what I put in here real quick, okay? So, I've got my phone, cards, keys, some lip gloss, sanitizer, and honestly, that's like all I really need when I'm running errands or heading to brunch. I used to overpack my bags and end up carrying my whole life. But this one forces me to just bring the essentials, which is kinda freeing. Okay, real story. I wore this the other day to a quick coffee date, and the girl at the counter legit asked me where I got it. I was like, Amazon, bestie. It's just one of those bags that quietly shows up, does the job, and somehow pulls your outfit together. Oh, and you can hold it like a clutch too. So like, one bag, 2 moods. So yeah, if you've been looking for a cute little hand pouch crossbody bag, nothing fancy but still cute and useful, this might be the one. Links in the description if you want to check it out. And if you do end up getting item, know how you style it, 'cause I need ideas. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your fave bag of the month down below. I love chatting with you guys, seriously. 8. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Stay cozy, stay cute, bye.